this here is going to be the conclusion on the Damascus knife. Now we've seen this made right from the metal all the way down through. Darren here has done a lot of work on this, as you've seen, and now he's going to show us it completed. Let's check it out, dude.
Here we got, folks, bird's eye maple display box, and inside complete in the sheath. And this guy, if we can get a shot inside, maybe Wayne, and we can let the folks on YouTube see how this guy's going to display.
Nice leather work.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, well done. That bird's eye maple case is something, you know, that's pretty spectacular.
That really pops, eh?
Yeah. So I want to thank you very much, Darren.
Thank you, Wayne. Appreciate it.
It's been a privilege to be able to do this, really, to be able to film this, because I learn a lot, you know, watching you. And I've had a general idea by watching videos and stuff, but to see it firsthand, that was awesome. It really was. And I want to thank you.
Well, I'll tell you what, Wayne. I'm going to say about 50% of what I learned and what I know in this shop was learned by trial and failure. Not trial and error, trial and failure. You do have to fail before you get better, right?
Yeah.
You can succeed or you can learn, and we're doing a little bit of both. What I'd like to say to the other 50% is all those other makers out there that have sent me tips. Thank you very much, guys. A lot of it was given to me for free, and I'd like to just give it back. So anybody that's out there, as you've seen through the videos, as you look around this here little shop, you don't need a whole pile of tools to succeed and make beautiful work. It takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of tuition, how you would like to say it. But no, thank you very much for joining us, guys, and guys and gals. And stay tuned. Maybe we'll have some more videos coming your way. See you later.
Take care, and thanks for watching.